Hi viewers, welcome to Edufy. Today we are starting the part 11. We already understood that geography can be learned through the MCQ. So this is part 11. Without any further delay, let's start. Now the first question about the geography, Indian geography is the latitudinal extent of mainland India is 6.45, 8.4, 8.4, 10.10 degrees north. That is, it's very simple. So the proper answer is 36, 37, 8 degree north and 37 degrees north. All right. So the next question, the longitudinal extent of India, including Pakistan occupied Kashmir, is 68, 7, 97 degrees 25 east, 70 degrees east to 95 degrees east, 60 degrees, 66 degrees east to 98 degrees east, and 72 degrees to 90 degrees east. So the right answer is 68 degrees to 97 degrees east. That is from Gujarat towards Arunachal. Next, the southernmost point of India is Kanyakumari, Pygmalion Point, Indira Point, both B and C. Technically, in mainland India, Pygmalion Point and in Andaman Nicobar, Indira Point, both are the lowest point of India. So we consider B and C, that is D. D is the right answer. Next question. Indira Point is located at 6 degrees 45 south latitude, 6 degrees 45 north latitude, 8 degrees 4 north latitude, 10 degrees north latitude. So actually it is India is found in the northern part of the planet, so we consider it north. So 6 degrees 45 degrees north latitude is the right answer. B is the right answer. The northern north south extent of India from Indira Col to Kanyakumari is approximately 2933 kilometer, 3214 kilometer, 3600 kilometer, 2500 kilometers. We can call it that north to south corridor. To total length of north to south is total 3214 kilometers. So answer option is B. All right. Next question. The east-west width of mainland India were from Rann of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh, 2500 kilometer, 2700 kilometer, 2933 kilometer, 3214 kilometer. So the right answer is 2933 kilometers. That is from Porbandar, Gujarat till Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, next, India ranks in which position in the world in terms of area? Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. We all know that. India, in terms of area, is the seventh largest country in the world. So C is the right answer. Next question. India accounts for approximately what percentage of total surface area of the world? 1.8, 2.0, 2.4, 3.1. So India is around 2.4% of entire world land area. So C is the right answer. Next question. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into equal latitudinal halves, tropical and polar regions, two unequal latitudinal halves, or coastal and interior region. Remember, A and B and C cannot be an option, so you can directly eliminate that. A and C could be somewhat the answer, but to the question, the answer is that C, two unequal latitudinal half. We all know that 8 states pass through 8 states Tropic of Cancer pass by. So southern part and northern part. So northern parts geographical area is more, southern part geographical area is less. Latitudinal halves, okay. The area north of the Tropic of Cancer is equal to the southern part, smaller than the southern part, nearly twice the southern part, and 3 times the southern part. Remember, upper part of India above the Tropic of Cancer is more broader and more wider and more bigger as compared to the southern area. So nearly twice the southern part. So C is the right answer accordingly. Okay, next question. South of 22° north latitude, India tapers into the Indian Ocean for about 500 kilometers, 600, 700 and 800 kilometers. So the right answer is 800 kilometers. Okay. Next question. The east-west time difference in India is approximately, remember, there is 30-degree longitudinal gap from Arunachal and Porbandar, that is Gujarat. So almost in 15 minutes, Earth takes 15 for rotating 15-degree longitude. Earth take approximately 1 hour 60 minutes to rotate, and to cover 30-degree longitude, Earth take twice, that is 2 hours. All right, so 2 hours is the right answer, that is C. Okay, next question. A difference of 1 degree longitude corresponds to a time difference of 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 15 minutes. Remember, for 1 degree rotation of Earth take 4-minute time. Okay, so 4 minute is the right answer. That's what is the question is B, 4 minutes. Okay, next question. India is considered a tropical country mainly because it lies entirely south of Tropic of Cancer. No, that is not correct. B, of its cultural history only. No. Tropical monsoon climate dominates the region. That can be the answer. Temperature remains high throughout the year. No, D cannot be the answer. So C is the right answer. India is a monsoon climatic country, so we are dominated by the monsoon climate. So C is the right answer. Next question. The Himalayas prevent India from experiencing. We all have discussed in previous videos also. We are practicing one type of topic in many ways, like this is one of the example of that. Now, equatorial climate, tropical cyclone, temperate air masses, western disturbance. In previous videos, I have already mentioned Himalaya considered to be the north of India, which is important for Indian climate because it blocks the very cold winds coming down from the Siberian regions. You can alternatively call those winds as a temperate air masses. So C is the right answer to this question. So C is the correct answer. India has a land border of about 14,000 kilometer, 15,106 kilometer, 16,500 kilometer, 17,000 kilometers. So right answer is 15,106.7 kilometer. Okay. India longest international land border is with Bangladesh. We all know almost India share border with all of them, but Bangladesh kilometers are more and they are the longest borders. Okay, so Bangladesh is the right answer. The shortest international border of India is with Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, and Sri Lanka. We all know that India connects with Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka as well. Afghanistan is the right answer here because we share very small border with Afghanistan. Okay, that is again from the Gilgit-Baltistan place, which is under right now POK, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir, or you can say administrative Pakistan. So Afghanistan is the right answer. We have the shortest land border with Afghanistan. Okay, next question. The McMahon line is associated with boundary between India and which country? So the point is Pakistan has Red Cliff, Nepal, no, Nepal and Myanmar, no. So China is the right answer. China and India has a one line border, that is McMahon line it is called. Now the last question of the video is India and Sri Lanka are separated by Gulf of Mannar, Arabian Sea, Park Strait, Bay of Bengal. Remember, whenever you open the atlas, anytime like Oxford School Atlas, you can open in 9th or 10th page, you will see this answer. Park Strait is the one who is separating mainland border of India, coastal border of India from Sri Lankan coastal border. So Strait is the right answer to this. So C is the right answer. Now with this, our part 11 of practicing Indian geography in a very basic way for every kind of state civil services, very beneficial for Nagaland state civil services. So hope you will practice this and it will definitely going to help you in somehow. We are covering entire series, all right, of learning about Indian geography. So through MCQ practices, you will be having too much of knowledge, and please gather it and have some practice of MCQ. Thank you very much. We will meet in part 12.